Now that you've understood the dangling modifier and its sister types, you need to master the types of dangling modifiers, modifier and its types, with examples are discussed below. Types of dangling modifiers in English. There are basically 5 major types of dangling modifiers in English grammar, which are discussed below. 1. Participles as dangling modifiers. Present participles, verb plus ing like going or eating, and past participles, the third form of a verb like tired and drunk, are sometimes used as dangling modifiers, which is incorrect. Examples: A. This is wrong. Present participle, present particle, reaching the station, the sun set in. Correct? As I reach the station, the sun set in. B. This is wrong. Past participle, tired of his delay, he was punished by the teacher. Correct? Tired of his delay, the teacher punished him. Number 2, infinitive phrase as dangling modifier. An infinitive phrase is a verb preceded by the preposition to. Infinitive phrases are also used as dangling modifiers, which is again incorrect. Examples: